Okay, 3D graphic below shows one section of the Lewis tram. The plan elevation are partly complete. Okay, at the end elevation of the outline of the tram are shown on the right. Complete the end elevation of the tram. So we have to complete the end elevation. Most people are used to bringing it over at 45 degrees or bringing a line down and coming across and up. So this is rotation. It's where we're rotating, bringing our points across. So we pick one point at a time. Bring your 2 points across there. Okay, and using our compass, we use this as a rotation point or a hinge point. We're going to rotate it up and around. Same with the bottom one then, up and around. Okay, so it's a bit light, so it'll go a bit heavier. Up and around. Okay, so we know then that these 2 points, so this point at the front is this point here. We brought it across, so we can bring it up. Okay, so that's going to be a solid edge until it hits that point there, and that's going to be up that point there. Okay, so the other side then is this point. We brought it across and up. We know then the height here, so it has to be on the top point. So bring it straight up till it hits the top point. Join them back together. Okay, and heavy it in, solid lines. So that's our 2 points then. So our side elevation of the tram is almost finished. Okay, we're just missing the hidden detail. There's a hidden detail along this line here. Okay, and there also will be hidden detail then from this back corner here. It's there, we just can't see it. So we know that the back of the train is going to be there, but it's hidden detail. Okay, so the only thing we're missing now is the supply. So draw the end elevation of the supply connector on top of the tram. So that's our end elevation complete. We just need to put on the supply connector. So we know the electricity supply connector at the top has to be this height. Okay, can't change. And then the bottom is that height off the ground also. So we know it's along them 2 lines somewhere. Okay, why? So what we need to do then is bring our points across. So 1 point across here. Where it hits this point here comes across also. For them to hit this line, we rotate them around using our compass. Bring them points up. Where they intersect at the top. That point there and that point there. Gives you the top of the supply connector. So we need to find the bottom now of the supply connector. Okay, so we brought it across. We need to bring it down. So we'll find 1 point down here. You bring it down. Or this point. Take that point, bring it across, and rotate it back up using our compass. Bring it back up to where it hits the point here. So we've located it in 2 views to find it in the 3rd view. Can join it back there. So do the same with the bottom corner over here. Bring it down. Give you 1 point here. That point then we're going to bring it across. Rotate it up into end elevation. Straight back up here. Okay, so the only thing we're missing then is the actual connector. So we know where the connector is here, the top of it and the bottom of it. We know where the top and bottom here is in this elevation. So all we need to do is bring them across, the top across, bring the bottom across. Just take one point at a time. Again, using the rotation point, rotate it back up. Here, and bring it back up into your end elevation. So that was the top. We know the top's going to be there. We have the bottom now. Bottom, we can rotate the bottom up. Now it's going to be there, so we know that the height, so we connect them back together. So we have to locate the point in two views to find it in the third view. Okay, so that's our finish.